Let's take a look at the image quality of the Hasselblad King, OPPO Find X9 Pro, and see how strong it really is. First, in terms of hardware, there is a full-power version LYT main camera with instant triple exposure, a Hasselblad 200 million ultra-clear periscope telephoto lens, a 50 million pixel ultra-wide angle, and the single color restoration lens previously on the Ultra. It can be said that the improvement brought by this combination is completely at the ultra-large cup level. The main camera has a higher dynamic range, so in low-light shooting, it can retain more image details and reduce noise. At the same time, shadowless snapshots are more stable. Moving subjects can also be captured in high-definition portraits. The 200 million pixel telephoto lens brings a qualitative leap in image quality, allowing facial details to be captured very clearly. But actually, this is the original image. What you just saw was the portrait after zooming in. Yeah, with the support of 200 million pixels, the sample can be freely cropped and composed, and it remains in high definition. Besides the enhanced image quality, with the support of the single Hasselblad color reproduction lens, the color reproduction is more accurate, especially under complex lighting conditions. The person's face will not have color distortion. A new zoom flash has been added, and within the portrait focal range of 0.6 to 3 times, the flash will intelligently adjust the brightness and angle. You can also manually choose to simulate CD flash with cool or warm tones, making your night portraits not only high definition, but also more textured. In Hasselblad's ultra clear mode, you can also get even clearer K-Live photos, with everything from the cover to the video being very high definition, and you can share them to social platforms with just one click, creating a full sense of atmosphere. Previously, I mentioned that everyone should try the Master Mode more often. It offers various styles to choose from, and these sample images have more of a camera feel with a strong Hasselblad flavor. You can also take wide format photos. The brand new X5 camera interface is like a vintage camera, with various film simulation systems preset on one side. The sound effect when switching is like changing film, and at the moment you press the shutter, it simulates the development process of a vintage camera. It really has a sense of ceremony. The background shooting includes 200 million pixel high-definition 4K high-definition motion pictures and the Action Hasselblad retro camera mode. From image quality to atmosphere to a sense of ceremony, the OPPO Find X9 Pro provides it all. In the future, just take this phone for travel photography and it will be enough. Besides photography, the video capabilities have also been improved this time. So in addition to supporting up to 4K at 120 frames per second video recording, you can see that the zoom during recording has become smoother, and you can also capture high-definition moving images at any time during recording. In addition to the overly refined appearance, the 1.6mm ultra-narrow bezel, the 7,500 mAh large battery, and the smooth, user-friendly color OS 60, it can be said that this time the OPPO Find X9 Pro not only offers an experience surpassing Ultra, but also provides camera upgrades better than those under 10,000 yuan.